first I will show you the basic parts required in making floor cleaning smart robo. These are the two mops which are made up of old CDs. This is Arduino Uno and this is its cable which is connected to the power bank. Basically, this Arduino Uno is connected to the power bank through Arduino Uno cable. This is HC05 Bluetooth module which is connected to the Arduino Uno board through jumper wire, and beside that there is L29 3D motor driver board which is also connected to Arduino Uno through jumper wire with the help of male connectors. And these are the two transistors named as TNP141 which are also connected to the Arduino board through male to male and female to female jumper wires. This is 12 volt lead acid rechargeable battery. These are the 75 RPM geared motors which are connected to the mop. This is wheel and this is 100 RPM geared motor. Here it is the water pump which is dipped inside the water so that the vinyl tube can take the water drop by drop and fall it on the mops to clean the floor properly. Let's see how to control this robo. First we will download the app which is named as Bluetooth serial controller. Now we will connect it with our HC05 Bluetooth module. Once we press the forward button, it will move forward, and similarly when we press the backward button, it will move backward. When we press mop on, the mop will be on, and pump will be on. We can move right and left according to our needs. Now you can see that the mops are on, and through the pump the water is falling drop by drop near the mops, and the one mop is rotating in clockwise and another in anti-clockwise direction to ensure the proper cleaning of the floor. You can see the light on Arduino, which means that commands are being sent. You can see how the mops are rotating. Also the water is dropping drop by drop through the pump and the vinyl tube. Once we press the forward button, it will move forward. As we decrease the speed through our remote controller, it will move slowly. Now I will again show you how to control the speeds and how to move it forward and backward according to our needs, and how to turn it to the right side and to the left side. Here I have screen recorded from one mobile, and I have shooted the video through another mobile so you can see it clear. Now here we are pressing forward button with speed 1, speed 2 and speed 3. Similarly speed 4. Now backward. You will see these movements in the coming video. Now it is taking right turn. It is moving forward and taking right turn. Now it is moving backward. I have removed the battery because it is not bearing that much load, but we can use lightweight battery to move it nicely and so that it can work properly. Thanks for watching.